Hi viewers, now today I'll show you how to connect OTG, use PenDrive and mouse and if you want. And I will also show today if your phone OTG not working, how to solve this problem. As you can see a phone in my hand, this phone is Oppo A38. If you want to use mouse and PenDrive in this phone, at first you need to a OTG and need to a PenDrive. And OTG and PenDrive connect that to L and need to a mouse. And second time you find the option called settings. Scroll up, scroll down, scroll down. When you find settings option, then you have to go to the option called settings. When you go settings, you can see many options from here, and you find the option called scroll down, connection and sharing. When you find connection and sharing, go to connection and sharing and scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You can see an option called search. Then you need to write the search box and you type the search box OTG, and you can see an option called OTG connection. Click on OTG connection and you can see an option OTG connection. Again option, you just turn it on this option OTG connection and you put this pen drive and OTG on your phone and wait few seconds. Scroll down, you can see your phone OTG is properly working. You can click on recent and you can see an option called OTG. And if you want to show OTG files, go to this option and show your phone pen drive files. And if you want to use mouse now, you just put this mouse here and wait few seconds after installing it. But I can see my phone mouse is working. So yes, Oppo A30 phone OTG is fully working properly.